also another useful video. Those are want to push their repository or Android project to GitHub. This video will help you a lot. Seriously, I just made a tic-tac-toe game. This is a basic game which I don't know why I made it, just for fun. It's just fully functional tic-tac-toe in our childhood player. Okay, X wins. Yes, okay. You get the idea. But I made this game, but I have to, this is the code. So just basic Android games using based on Kotlin, but I have to upload it on GitHub. Now what to do? Many people just connect their account and try to push it, but didn't get it. So here is how you can do it. Just click in terminal, click in local, click in plus button. There is a command prompt pop up, type in git init, then the file you created, let's say you upload all this file, so you just type git add dot git add